Hi guys, we are at Edison's in Edwardsville, Illinois. They have an arcade, a food option, which is pretty cool, and lots of good stuff on the menu. Let's go check it out. They have bowling, an arcade and laser tag room, and a full restaurant and bar. We are hungry. We're gonna grab a bite to eat before we play. So here at Edison's, they have a full menu, lots of good stuff to choose from.
I always get personal pizza with applesauce for a side. Because sausage is my favorite meat, and I really like pizza.
They have some good burgers and tacos. Love those lobster tacos. Oh, mommy. Oh, it stopped recording. It stopped recording. And if you're not too great at getting it down the center, they have bumpers for the kids for the granny rolls.
Wow, wow, wow.
We don't bowl often, but it's fun to do on occasion. Yeah, it's a strike for me. So it looks, the scoreboard's telling me I won. Wow.
You didn't get that many. I got
So how'd you guys do?
I did all right. I didn't make any points the last spring.
Oh, Abby?
Wow, wow, wow.
Mama and Papa, did you have fun? All
I did
righty.
pretty good too, but Mommy, at the end, wow, wow, wow.
Oh, yep. Game time. Oh my gosh. Do you see it? Do you guys see it? That's it, right there. In the claw machine. I don't know if I'd want to win him or not. Rabbids Hollywood. This is hard.
Don't get the poison. Poison. I want popcorn. I want popcorn on the seashore. I want popcorn. I want popcorn. I want fish. I want popcorn. I want something. No poison. I don't want to drink poison.
Oh my gosh. This is hard to do recording. Oh, they're surrounding us. Ah. Oh no!
Let's go somewhere else. I see a green team right down there. Daddy.
Oh, I think I got it. No, no. Oh,
The other side.
we need to back up.
Hi, Mom.
She's heading east down the river. Do not.
And this is Beat Saber. I really wanted to try this out. I should have, right? Yeah, I should have. They have a nice assortment of prizes, and they change stuff up pretty often. We're saving up our tickets for the next time. I think Abby has her eye on something. Thank you guys for joining us at the Edison's Entertainment Complex in Edwardsville, Illinois. They have a lot of games. As you see, there was the arcade. They have a full bar, laser tag, bowling, and fun.